Hello traders. So this is the review time. We are going to analyze the markets for tomorrow. This is the Nifty chart here, and this is the daily time frame. As you always start with the daily. So after 2 red days, we have this consolidation day to day, and this was pretty much there on the cards. We are just above this daily support zone. So this means that this small body candle or the consolidation could be a result of this small daily support zone. The buyers are here, and maybe that is why all those who have sold at the top here are now recovering their position. So if the sellers are really active now, we might see soon a new buildup for the downside. We still have the rising 50 MA, so that means that we cannot say that the market is in the downtrend. So in the daily, we have sideways market, and in the weekly we are still in an uptrend. So that means that these two higher time frames are not in agreement, which means that this is not the right time to take the directional trade in Nifty. For intraday, we can take it as per the pattern on daily and the hourly time frame. But for the holding purposes, I would not suggest to go either long, buying the naked calls or puts for the directional ones until a strong bearish or bullish pattern, at the right location forms. On the 60-minute time frame, prices have declined sharply. That's what I discussed in the market internal video as well. We have the declining 20 MA here. So if you just zoom it out a little bit, we are near this area, which is the prior support area. So we will see some reaction. We have seen the reaction today as well. When prices opened here, they moved down very sharply, but eventually it came back up, and that is the result of this support zone and this small consolidation that we can see on the 60-minute time frame. So as I have mentioned that I have taken a bear call spread trade. That is my current trade, which is still I'm holding, and that trade is for this current expiry, which is coming on Thursday. So I think overall Nifty is sideways, and the non-directional options trade are better than the directional one until and unless we see a strong pattern which clearly indicates that which side this market can move. So let's move on to the Banknifty chart. So Banknifty is clearly in an uptrend in daily and weekly, which means that both these higher time frames are in alignment in this market. Prices are still above the rising and rising 20 and 50 moving averages. This is the nearest support area that we have. So in the 60-minute time frame, prices are below the 20 MA, which means that this intraday time frame is not in alignment with daily. So maybe if prices, opens somewhere here, looking at where the the US markets will close and where the SGX Nifty will go, following the US markets, we will get the better idea that where Bank Nifty can also move. But more or less it will gonna follow the Nifty. As of now, it is looking bullish than the Nifty chart. So I think we should wait for the right bullish pattern in Bank Nifty to buy the naked calls. If I just open up the trading view charts to see where the US markets are. So we can see that US markets are now a little bit, the buying is coming up slowly. And, after this huge move to the downside, this wide range bar, prices are now looks, consolidating. This, bar has not broken the low of the previous bar, so that shows some bit of a strength in the Dow Jones. If we just check the S&P 500, so same story here as well. We have the nearest resistance area around these levels. So let's see if S&P 500 would able to move above it or not. So tomorrow early morning we would be able to get the better idea. But as of now, that the US markets are moving in green, it looks like that probably Nifty Bank will also get a push to the upside. So that's about it in today's analysis. Hope you have enjoyed the session. Please give it a thumbs up and please do share it with your friends. So speak to you soon. Bye-bye.